I'm going to open this thing up and we're going to take a look at it. Now, I do have one of those cutters to open these blister packs, but like many of you, when you need it, it's nowhere near you. And by the time I go find it, I could already have this open. So, let's see what we have here. Let me pull this open here. Here's the tool itself. Here's the blades. Here's a charging cable. Wrench. And the battery. A little bitty wrench. Huh. How about that? And I'm sure the owner's manual, yep, owner's manual right there. So, let's see if it comes with any charge. Let's put the battery in. Open it up right there. Battery will only fit one way. Has a flat part on it. You'll see a flat part inside the battery chamber. And the Ryobi word right there, name, you'll want at the top, and this one pointed on the inside. And as we're looking at this battery, you'll notice right here is the charging port, Type C charging port for the battery. So let's see if this one that provided has any type of charge. Has a little bit. I don't think it's fully charged, so let's take that out. And I have my flashlight right here. Let's take the battery out of there. I'm just going to put this one in right here for now. Put it aside.